can tell, just made that drop there. As you can tell, I'm really excited, and let's get right into the video. My dad, also known as Steve the Master Builder.
Yeah.
Alright, so far in the build, we have motherboard sitting right here, and we're deciphering the cords that will go here. Put this motherboard in very carefully. Drop. No, I'm just kidding. And time for the number one thing, the Ryzen 5 3rd gen, 5, whatever. The specs will be listed, and I was holding it backwards because I'm not smart. Anyways, this is the prize of this entire build pretty much, because it's like the epic part. Okay, let's open it finally. Get straight to the point, of course. Oh yeah, alrighty. Oh, just like the guy that opened the first iPhone 7, drops it. Pretty much me, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, anyways, let's see. I've never done this before, so this is cool. Alright, let's dump it. Alright, so what we have in the box, we have like the actual processor itself. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. And okay, we have these. I'll keep them over here. This was just filler, of course, and this is the fan, right? So the coolant, which is pretty much important. Oh shoot! It blew up. Yes, it's on. Okay. Here we go. One RAM stick coming up. Oh, that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe because it's actually late. So that's the reason. Anyway, subscribe because more fun stuff coming.